Can I get your skin? Yeah. All right, Zach and I again, doing sketchy shit. A little more. Do a rock drop. Like straight down, it's 47 meters to the right. If we go to the left with a good push, we're still getting like 57 meters.
So a short push like that is really bad. It's really bad.
Dude, you're going in.
Yeah,
okay, so where that rock hit, 51 meters. So you gotta boost this fucking thing.
Yeah.
Boost it. All right, Hannah. Love you. 3, 2, 1. Cliff strike. Woo! Almost. Almost cliff strike. Yeah. Yeah.
In titties.
Holy shit.
I did.
That'll make you feel something. That was disgusting. Three, two, one, two. Sick. Nice work. Awesome. Jump 3, 2, 1, please. Big gap. Thank God for on headings. It's a bit visual. That is gross. All this slippery bullshit. 3, 2, 1, titties. Nice. Three, two, one, titties. That's f***ing perfect. Woo! Yeah, dude. Yeah. Oh my God, that was f***ing scary. 3, 2, 1, titties. Nice work, you! Another new one. Titties. That's sick! Cliff strike. Yes, sir!
New exits.
We made it, but all of these exits covered in ice. Real sketchy. So we're gonna try to find something over here. Oh dude, it's way lower than we thought.
What is it?
It's like 230.
There we go.
Cliff
Cliff strike.
All right, so we got two different options for exits. They're both pretty sketchy. I like that one better because it's going into the depths of the bowl, and I think Zach's gonna do this one. It's got a massive gap, but right beyond that ledge, it goes overhung, so it's actually quite safe if you clear that ledge. Either way, they're gonna be scary. But they're sick. Yeah! Sick, dude! Yeah, doggy! That was so beautiful. 2 new exits and 2 griffi. What will we name it? Beautiful. Dude, I think that's the first double Griffiths double open ever done.
Go. Double job.
All right, so I'm just wandering up this random canyon. I found some cool looking potential exits. Or in satellite view, perhaps some sketchy bowls to free fall into. Tiny cracks, low free fall, that's what I'm going for. So we're gonna see what we can find today. All right, so I guess I'm gonna try to open this. We don't know if it's quite wide enough to get the canopy out of there. And then if it works for me, are you gonna go, Sylvan?
If it looks good, I'll probably go.
And then if I catch end cell and slam into the wall, you're not gonna go?
If you catch end cell and slam into the wall, I'm gonna hit SOS on my Garmin, throw it at your body, jump something else and hike.
Love it. All right, 3, 2, 1, tits. That's fucking scary. It's chill. Yeah, baby. I guess I'm gonna land tailwind. Downwinder. Yeah. All good. Up here by myself on the Griffith's nest. I'm proud of the exits that I got to open. Zach helped me open some of those, and we had some sick jumps together. And all thanks to the Griffiths. I trust that canopy more so than any other canopy. As you can see in the video, like 180-foot free falls, 200-foot free falls is really chill on the Griffiths. 180 feet on most canopies is pretty in your face, whereas on the Griffiths, I feel like I'm opening like 20, 30 feet higher than I'm used to. So it's just perfect for low slider down stuff. It's super sick for wingsuiting. It's also epic for, you know, that sub-terminal slider up type of jumping too. It's literally amazing for everything. So go check out the Griffiths, exilebase.com. I also run FJCs at the Prine Bridge. If you're interested in learning the base jump and you have skydiving, paragliding, speed flying experience, shoot me an email, info@exilebase.com, and we'll get you set up for the FJC and you can learn the base jump. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in the next video.